Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Brandon, and today we're going to be talking all about Airstream's brand new package on the Flying Cloud called Midnight Flamingo. That's right, Midnight Flamingo. So a few days ago on social media, they dropped this kind of a teaser with this kind of grayed out, blacked out Airstream photo that said dropping at midnight. Well, it dropped the next day at 9 a.m. And it turns out it's a Flying Cloud with just a few modifications. Now, serendipitously, I was in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show, and I just happened to run into, I'm assuming it's the one and only Midnight Flamingo in existence right now. And so I got to go through it, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Now, I will say it's taking quite a beating on social media, on Airstream Addicts, on some of the other Facebook groups. That basically, yeah, it's interesting. Now, there are some things to like about it for sure, but after touring it, and you're going to see the footage here in just a second, you can decide for yourself. I'm not sure who the buyer is for this. I'm not sure who's going to pay extra for this, but you can judge for yourself. Now, put in the comments what your thoughts are on it below, but let's jump in and take a look at Airstream's brand new Flying Cloud package called Midnight Flamingo. So this is basically a 25-foot Flying Cloud with just a few modifications, and the very first thing that stands out are these black rock guards here. Now, the difference between these and the Aircrafters stick-on stickers, I think they are, I may be incorrect about that, is that this is actually a material much like a bed liner. So I do think that's going to be a fantastic way to protect those rock liners. Now, the way it looks is up to you. Now, they have taken all of their white badging and basically made them black, along with these wheels. Now, I do like the wheels. I think this is probably the best part, and it does come with a 3-inch lift, much like the Tradewind. Now, then another thing that I absolutely loved was this back step, because they put some kind of a rubberized, now I don't know if this is, just for that Midnight Flamingo or if it's because it has a hatch, but I really like that. It's not just a metal case over that cover there. Now then, this comes with the hatch. I don't know if the hatch is going to come standard with this, how many options you're going to have on this package, but you can see there that black flamingo badging. That looks pretty cool too. Now, a lot of people on Facebook were saying that the awning was black, but it's actually kind of a dark gray. And then again, that black flamingo there looks good. But yeah, it's a lot lighter in person than it showed in photos. Now then, as we go in, you're definitely going to notice that everything is dark. And but first, there's that Klipsch audio, and the Airstream guy said that they are experimenting with this, putting it in this particular model, and I believe he said it was going to come in the Classics as well for that upgraded audio. Now, this was the worst part about the whole thing, is those curtains. They're terrible. They're going to show dog hair. They're going to show dust. These did have a good feel to them as far as the seating. Again, that charcoal gray does look good, I will say. But honestly, the other best part I love about it are these black handles. Really, really looks good there. The upgraded fixtures, I think that's a fantastic. And then again, just all of those cabinet handles. And this looks like it's blacker too. I don't know if those on the other Flying Clouds, if that's a chrome silver piece, but it did, again, fit in black. And all of these handles and everything are the black material. Looks really good. I thought they would put something in the shower, the black shower faucets and everything, but no, it's just the typical stuff they have. But they did do the bathroom sink faucet in that black. Looked really, really good. And again, probably one of my favorite parts of this trailer, because honestly, these black curtains, yeah, you can already see the dust on them right there. Think about with dog hair, especially if you have like a white dog. Oh my word, it's going to be terrible. Kind of like Charlie on Keep Your Daydream. Just imagine what those curtains would look like. So yeah, that is the worst part of the whole deal, are these black curtains. Plus, it made it feel very enclosed. And when those are blacked out, man, that's not going to be a really good feeling there. And then, of course, the gray privacy curtains there as well, not black, gray. I think that's probably what they should have done to the curtains as well. Now, I don't know if this GE thermostat is black in all of them, or this is a blacked out version of that, if they're white in other models. But I did notice that it also looked like they had a new TV, an upgraded TV there. So I don't know if that is coming out in new Airstreams or if that is for this edition. And then kind of a marble looking gray countertop and table there. I wasn't a huge fan. And so overall, I mean, there is not a ton of difference, just really just the black accents. And again, the awning is not as bad as what people on social media are making it out to be, which is that it's black and would be hotter. It's really a dark charcoal and doesn't look that bad at all. So overall, it is a good upgrade. It's got 300 watts of solar that are going to be standard, 200 amp hours of lithium batteries, a 3-inch lift kit, all-terrain tires, and of course, all of those black accents. Okay, so what are your thoughts on Airstream's Midnight Flamingo? Be sure to put those comments down below. Love to hear what people are saying after kind of seeing it in a better light than just on Airstream social media, now that you can get kind of a feel for what it's going to look like. Now then, if this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Talk all about Airstreams, RVs, leisure travel vans, things like that. Also hit that notification bell and the thumbs up. I sure appreciate that, and we will see you in the next one.